In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your login password on Docusign. If you're using Docusign to manage your electronic signatures and agreements, keeping your account secure is crucial. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily access your settings and update your password whenever necessary. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Docusign homepage. This is where you'll start the process. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the Login button. Click on this to proceed. Logging in ensures all your account details and settings are available for you to access. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be directed to the Docusign home screen. This is the central hub for all your activities within Docusign, from sending documents to tracking agreements. Now on this page, you need to locate and click on the profile icon, which is often depicted as a small avatar or your initials at the top of your screen. Clicking here will drop down a menu with several account options. Next, direct your attention to the Manage Profile link in the drop-down menu. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can oversee various aspects of your personal account settings. You should see a list of options organized in a menu format which helps in easily navigating between different sections. Find and click on the Privacy and Security option. This section is vital as it contains all the options related to your account security features, including password management. Here, you can make changes to ensure that your account remains secure and protected against unauthorized access. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the Change Password tab and click on it. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your current password, followed by the new password you wish to set. It's worth taking a moment to ensure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters that create a password difficult for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. After entering your new password and confirming it, make sure everything is correct before saving your changes. Double checking at this point is crucial to ensure that you don't accidentally lock yourself out of your account with a typo or mismatch. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Docusign login password. Remember, periodically changing your password can significantly contribute to the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Keep your data protected, and I'll see you in the next video.